Hello everybody, today I will draw simple picture smiley. I take black marker, yellow and red. Firstly, I take black marker and paint 5 boxes at the bottom of the picture at the center. Now 2 boxes to the left, 1 box, 2 boxes up. Now painting 5 boxes up. Now 2 boxes up. 3 boxes up. 2 boxes up. Again 2 boxes up. Again 2 boxes up, and again 2 boxes up. 4 times 2 boxes up and 1 box. Now turning down, and 2 boxes down we should paint. Again 2 boxes down. Again 2 boxes down. And again 2 boxes down. Now painting 3 boxes down. Now 2 boxes down. Now painting 5 boxes down. Now turning to the left, 2 boxes down. 1 box and 2 boxes to the left. Now from this box we should skip 1 box to the right and paint 9 boxes to the right. Now we should skip from this box 2 boxes down, 1, 2, 3, and paint 2 boxes to the right. Here 1 box, and here 1 box. From this box we should skip down 2 boxes, 1, 2, 3, and paint 2 boxes to the left. Here 1 box, and here 1 box. Now from this box we should skip 2 boxes down, 1, 2, 3, and paint 1 box. Now 3 boxes to the right. And 1 box here. Now I take yellow felt pen and I will color this smiley. Now I take red felt pen and I will color 2 boxes up here, 1 box here, 1 box here, 2 boxes to the right, 1 box, 3 boxes here, 1 box, 2 boxes here, 4 boxes here, 4 boxes here, 2 boxes, 1 box, here 1 box, 4 boxes here to the right, 4 boxes here, and 4 boxes here. So that's all. It's very simple picture, Happy Birthday Smiley. You can color this picture another way. Give me your likes and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, bye bye!